Ever feel like your to-do list grows faster than you can tackle it? You're not alone. Many of us spend almost a third of our day on repetitive tasks. It's exhausting and often feels like there's no end in sight. But what if there was a way to free up your time? That's where AI automation steps in. A game changer for your productivity. What's AI automation? It's like having a personal assistant handle routine tasks for you, quickly, accurately, and consistently. For instance, instead of wasting time coordinating meeting schedules, AI tools like Calendly do it for you in seconds. Your inbox? Tools like Superhuman and Microsoft Outlook AI can prioritize emails so you focus on what matters. And for data entry, platforms like Zapier sync information automatically. Now let's dive deeper into some AI tools you can use today. AI assistants. Tools like Google Assistant, Siri, or Alexa can set reminders, send messages, and even control your smart home, all with your voice. Scheduling apps, Calendly and Clockwise simplify calendar management. They analyze your availability and suggest meeting times effortlessly. Workflow automation platforms. Platforms like Zapier or If connect your favorite apps to automate tasks, such as saving email attachments to Google Drive. AI productivity tools. Notion AI assists with brainstorming, and Grammarly ensures your writing shines. Here's how you can start using AI today. Identify repetitive tasks. Keep a log for a week and look for patterns. Choose the right tools. Match tasks to tools. For writing, try Grammarly. For scheduling, use Calendly. Start small. Automate one task at a time. Test and refine. AI improves with time. Use the tools consistently. Adjust settings and let them learn your habits. AI isn't just about working smarter, it's about living better. By automating routine tasks, you can reclaim time for things that truly matter. For instance, automating my email filters freed up an hour daily, which I use for exercise. It improved both my health and focus. Remember, productivity isn't about doing more. It's about focusing on what matters most. Let's recap. AI automation saves time by handling repetitive tasks, freeing you to focus on high-impact activities. Start with one task, scheduling, organizing, or writing, and see the difference it makes. Technology is at its best when it brings us closer to what we love. So, why not let AI handle the mundane and focus on the meaningful?